And actually I'm gonna add some gradient color to the background. So let's go for back and make this gradient, and let's make this one gray, and this one will be white. Maybe make this one a little bit lighter. Now we need to get our shape divider white first to be able to customize our gradient background in a better way. So I'm gonna make this one white. I'm gonna flip it, and now back to gradients. Let's make that one lighter, like that. And now I'm gonna teach you a new trick to make new layouts with our shape divider and our gradient background by making our location sharp like that. And once we have a sharp line like that, we can change its angle and make it even different. We can make a new layout like that. And we can start duplicating that section and customize that layout for unlimited design and layout potentials. So we can make our angle like that or even like that and change our colors, and we can move our location to make it even more like that or like that. Okay, so guys, you can be really creative with that amazing page builder, but now we want to be sticking to our visual identity, so we're not going to use that one, but it's a quick trick for you. I'm gonna get that one to be fade in again as it was. Then we're gonna add our section from a template, which is our icon sections or features. From here I saved it before. We designed that one in our homepage in order to use these icons again. So we're gonna remove our image. We're gonna remove the entire row actually, and now we have two columns. We're gonna make them 4, or even you can make them the desired number you would like. But first of all, I would like to add some background for that section, then we're gonna duplicate it. Okay, so I'm gonna edit the sections background. We're gonna add an image, and I will be adding this image to our sections background. I'm gonna make it cover, and we will make it fixed for parallax effect, and then we're gonna add some overlay to our background overlay, and we have our classic. We can make it black and a little bit transparent like that. Okay, so we will be having some nice movement at our background, and let's make all of our icons in white so they will be so clear on our design. I'm gonna work on this one, then I'm gonna remove this one and duplicate our icon. Okay, so let's go for the styling. I'm gonna make our primary color in white, then we're gonna go for content, make it white as well. Then we have our description and make it white, and I'm gonna delete that button. Okay, and then I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna remove this one, delete, and then we will be duplicating this one for maybe 3 or 4 times. Okay, we need to remove our button in here. We need to remove the entire row. Now we have 3 icons which can be increased. Now customizing the section column gaps, we need to make it wider like that, and then I'm gonna move that section to make it in between those 2 sections in here, to make alternation between our color schemes and white spaces. Then we're gonna edit our section to make it for minimum height. I'm gonna make it shorter than that, maybe like that. And also I would like to add some stroke, but you can see that our layout is matching together at some point. We have our curve is completing in here, and it's gonna be really nice if you choose your content at the beginning while you're brainstorming and while you're working on your website in a way that matches your website's concepts, colors, and even layouts. Okay, so now we have this nice effect. Now we're gonna add some borders for our image. Go add border, and we'll make it solid. We're gonna add 5 from top. I'm gonna unlink that. I'm gonna remove the right and left borders. We're gonna make this one on white. I'm gonna increase our sections height from here and make it a little bit bigger like that. And now we need to customize our icons. We can make this one as it was before, and we can make this one to be like that for example, and we can control their distances from here. We can make it boxed for the content width, and we can start controlling distance between them like that, or even like that. So we have that nice look for them. Now we can add more of them if you would like, and we can edit this one's icon and make it so I think it looks really cool and nice. Okay, and we need to add some space for this area, so we're gonna edit that section. And remember, we added some padding, and we can add maybe 90 from the bottom as well, so it will look like that. And if you added some margin, you will have white space in here. That's why we're using the padding for the top and the lower part of our section. And also we can add a title for that section, because I think it's missing that part. Notice if we try to add a heading in here, it will be added only to our widgets. So how to solve that problem? We're gonna add a brand new section just for this title. Okay, so if you forgot to add a title, you can add a section from here like that, and you're gonna have that space. You're gonna add new section, or we're gonna add, choose that layout for example, and we're gonna insert our text, and we're gonna call it meet our team text. Make it in the center and go make its color. Can make this one in black for example, and we're gonna go enable typography, and we can make it open sans. Then we're gonna work on our line height and make it to its minimum. We're gonna increase its size a little bit, so maybe like that, and let's make it all uppercase and move it a little bit to the bottom. Make it maybe 30, and then we're gonna reduce our padding for this section. We're gonna make it maybe 0 like that, and customize this one and even make it lighter from here. So let's make this one to 300. I think it looks even cleaner, and we can increase its spacing a little bit to make it like that. Now our page is almost done, but we need to recheck it out and see our visuals if anything needs to be customized. You can add some parallax effect in here if you would like, and even increase these sections height and make those numbers in light. Okay, so I think this will make this section even better. So let's go ahead and increase its height a little bit like that, maybe like that, and then let's edit those numbers and make them light. Weight gonna be 300. Title, I'm gonna make it light. For all of them, I'm gonna make all of them light. I think it's gonna be looking cleaner. And also for our innovations, 300, and here as well. Now this is how it looks like, and we can add some parallax effect to see how it's gonna look like. Let's make it fixed instead of default. Now it looks really nice, as you can see. Amazing. Now we have another thing that we can do for that section. We can add some stroke or border line for the bottom of our header. So we're gonna choose our header, we're gonna work on our style, we're gonna choose our border, then we're gonna choose to make it solid like that. Then we're gonna add white, our color, then we're gonna make it only for the bottom. I'm gonna make it like maybe 5 as well. Be consistent with your borders and their thickness or width. Okay, now I think it looks even better. I think when we separated both of them, it looks even better, and it's looking amazing. This About Us page is rocking, guys. I find it so nice, and I hope you like it too. Okay, so now we're gonna save that. Before we save it, let's think of all the dynamics we need to add to our website. So we can work on those and add some animation for the entrance to make the entire page rocking. So we're gonna add fade in right like that, and same goes for all of them, right to left, and same happened for our progress bar. So we try to be consistent with our movement, or even you can make it dynamic from any other part of your website. It will be creative as well. You're gonna try that and reload your page and see what you like. Okay, so we're gonna make it fade and right. And guys, really, the website design is so important for you. This is your presentation and you should really care about your design and your layout. Okay, there are so many ugly websites out there, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some animation in here as well, and go for advanced and make it entrance animation. We're gonna make that one fade in maybe, and same goes for all of those. Okay, so like fade in, and this one will be fading in as well. And we're gonna do a different animation for our social icons from here. I'm gonna make it fade in right, fade in right as well, and for this one we're gonna make it fade in right. So we're gonna save that one, and let's go ahead and review our page. Now, as you can see guys, our website is rocking. And our about us page is really looking so nice. Hope you like it too, with so much of dynamics to our page. Okay, now you're making great progress guys. I will be seeing you in the next video, and it's your turn now guys to go create your amazing about us page and go creative, and I will be seeing you in next video. Okay, bye. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you, and thank you so much for your time.